I'm Carlo Crescetti, and this is my shop, South Shore Meats. Every steak from my shop is hand cut with precision. The City of Champions needs its own cut. This is Boston Strip Steak. I'm Carlo Crescetti. Today we're in Plymouth, Mass. at the East Bay Grill. My buddy Joel has been an executive chef here for 15 years. We're going to go inside and see how he's kicking ass with the Boston Strip Steak.
I'm Joel Mantell, the executive chef at the East Bay Grill. South Shore Meat's been producing our 14-ounce New York sirloin that's been on the menu for 13 years now. And now Carlos introduced me into a new Boston strip. We threw it on the grill, a little salt and pepper, a little oil, literally cut into this thing. The flavor profile was absolutely out of this world. So now I'm going to show you how we cook the Boston strip here at East Bay. Come on. First, let's take the steak out. Very simple, salt and pepper on both sides of it, a little bit of oil. The steak has so much flavor, you really don't have to do much else to it. Then we're just going to throw it on the grill, get some nice marks on it, get a little flame on it. That way you'll kind of char up the outside of it and sear all the juices inside that steak. What I like about this steak specifically is 100% the flavor profile that you get from it. It's like biting into a filet, but having flavor. One of the great things about the steak is that when it comes in my door, it's already been wet aged for 28 to 32 days. I don't have to let it sit and wait, so South Shore Packing definitely takes care of all that for us. So it comes in the door, all I have to do is go through the cooking process. As this steak is cooking, I've definitely seared it very nicely on the outside here, which that'll just keep the juices inside the steak. So here we're going to put a little caramelized onion over the steak that have already been prepared. Very simple, just basically cook them down with their natural sugars, a little bit of butter. Then this is crumbled blue cheese, which I'm going to put over the top of the steak. So right now I'm going to take this steak where it is with the caramelized onions and the blue cheese. We're going to throw it in the oven for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and let everything just melt right into the steak. That'll bring it to a perfect medium rare. All right, now I think she's done. I'm going to pull it out. So the blue cheese and the caramelized onions have absolutely melted perfectly over this Boston strip. So now what we've assembled here are truffle parmesan fries and grilled broccolini to complete the dish. To completely complete it, we're going to take a little Cabernet reduction over the top. And there you have it. The server gets to the table, when the customer cuts into it, they're loving it.
The steak's tender, flavorful, it's delicious.
After I took the first bite of this Boston strip, I definitely knew we had to use it. It was versatile and we could use it many different ways. It was affordable and customers are loving it right now.